Everybody crowd up.
Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing y'all another day in the life of a mobile braider. I'll be using this Tropical Roots line by BB, the foaming mousse, the braiding gel, and some really good Jamaican black castor oil. I also used a little bit of the Pure Au Naturals braiding gel, and I mixed the two just for a little extra hold in certain areas. Now that I've given y'all a little behind the scenes, I am almost done prepping the hair. My least favorite part. It's a cat, y'all. But I just feel like I would fail the dog. Like, you know, a cat is just so easy and independent and comes to you when it wants, and you just chill together. Then it's like, okay, bye, you know? Very low maintenance, and I appreciate that. I don't think I have any. And then it has to be a very specific dog. It has to be hypoallergenic, you know? Because the shedding,
I can do it.
Yeah.
I tried it.
Okay, so you understand.
And failed twice.
Yeah.
I can't do it. I can't do it there. She's hypoallergenic. So
Yes, that's,
okay, good.
oh my gosh, I didn't even know they had hyperallergenic cats.
I'm not sure.
Yes, the scalp oil. To spray your scalp with it,
Okay.
and it's gonna give you like a cool sensation. And
Oh, this is the minty one.
yes, it's the minty one. Yeah, I love it. It's a good like refresher, as well as like relieve any tension or anything like that, but you shouldn't have any.
Okay.
Yeah. And yes, you heard that right. You should not have any tension when you work with me, because what? I do tension-free styles without them looking like it's tension-free. Okay, so now we're finally getting started. I am prepping the back section of her hair. I have just parted off this section. I'm going to do just 2 rows, and the key here is just molding down that hair and those rows so your braids and your parts are going to be nice and flat. I feel like I probably should have used a little brush, even on the edge brush, you know, just to kind of smooth out those lines a little more at the nape of her head, but I think I did the best that I could. Alright, so here is the first row done. I'm just going to continue on with that triangle pattern. It's pretty easy, to be honest, similar to the ease of box braids. You're just following the pattern all along. Now here I am just parting out the rest of my section so that I could go pretty fast. This middle part here in the middle, top, back, I sectioned off and I did about 4 triangles to ensure we are continuing with the shape of these rows. It is a little crooked. It's not a perfect row, and that's something I'm going to fix later on in the video, and you guys will see that in the end. I am finally at the top, y'all. This took 11 hours. It took so long, honestly, because it was just me, and I am braiding all the way down each time. But at the top, I decided to braid halfway and then come back to finish. My client's favorite part, and honestly mine, because we are at the end. I loved doing the style. Right now I'm braiding her scalp with that elixir, and do not forget to get the back, okay? The top matters, but the back does too. And I'm lastly going in with that Jamaican black castor oil, rubbing it in all over because we want to make sure her scalp is taken care of. Here is a look at the triangle parts, y'all. What do y'all think? I absolutely love it. And I know y'all saw how long it was. Yeah, there go again. But praise the Lord. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I hope to see y'all next time. Thumbs up and subscribe.
Everybody crowd up.